Morning. Today is kayaking day, and I have joined up with Aidan, an acquaintance of mine who's got this company, as you can see behind here. It is Chiang Mai mountain biking and kayaks, and he's going to show me one of the two good spots close to Chiang Mai. It's going to be either Chiang Dao or it's going to be Mae Wang, but that's gonna be fun. If we're going to Mae Wang, we're going to have white water, and we're going to test out my inflatable kayak and see how that's going to do. But I'll start with a cup of coffee first, and then we'll probably take off in about 30 minutes time. So see you in a bit. Oh, we got a small stop. All working here. A small stop on the way. There we got the truck with all the kayaks ready for us to go have fun. And if I am not mistaken, my one should be up there. Sure enough, look at that. There's my kayak. Anyway, a little group of 4 kayakers and 3 instructors. So we'll be 7 people out today, and it's going to be fun because we're going to do white water. I'm really looking forward to it. Now, Aidan, he did tell me that I could use this kayak if I wanted to, but I like to see how my kayak is going to hold up on white water. After all, that's also what I'm going to use it for. I know it's a fishing kayak, but I've seen videos that does better, it does well in those circumstances too. Now it's time for me to show. So, see you in a bit. Day and age, we've got to make YouTube videos. This is how we look like before we start the rafting. Let's see how many bandages we're wearing when we go back.
We'll have bigger smiles on the way back. And then everyone will fall asleep.
Okay, so let me get a look at the boat outside. So, anyway, on our way. Oh, there's the river. Right down there. Getting the last bit down to the river. And this nice area.
Use different boats.
No, why should I? No. No, sorry, but this one is good for the white water. Yeah. It was the other part that was tricky. Now you're going to be famous. You know that?
Thank you.
Very nice day out. But the boss, he was afraid of my phone, so I was not allowed to use it.
I'm not talking about this place, but there's places like it's like the shittest place in the world. But can't serve you, you know,
Lunchtime.
Ever.
You got anything wise to say, Aidan?
Yeah, my name is Aidan.
Okay. Well, not in Danish.
La mer and hollow. Tak for mig.
Oh, not yet. I'm not done yet. Anyway, lunchtime. Didn't get to film so much on the first part because Tom didn't want to let me have my phone.
Cheers.
But
for your safety.
Yeah, for my own safety. We'll see that. We'll film a little bit on the next part.
Don, not Tom. Don. Stop.
Yeah, right.
Don.
Nice and sunny weather. Kayaks ready. We only need the paddlers. Very nice. And today I got the pleasure of being called the buffalo by this man.
Why? you're not gonna tippy, yeah? Capsize.
No.
You're not gonna capsize.
This one cannot capsize.
No.
No.
No matter what.
No matter what. If I give you 1,000 baht, you cannot do.
Really?
I think so.
Yeah, mainly hit the bank.
But not now. But you can try later on if you want.
Sure.
Yeah.
I will.
This is very wide. And we got elephants on the right. See that one over there? See?
Pedal! Keep pedaling, okay, this way. Here we go, pedal.
Oh fuck!
It's alright.
I'm on the rock. This is a kayaker on the rock.
On the rock, walk straight.
Yeah.
Go up and do again.
Okay.
Yeah, bend over, pedal.
A small break. How are we doing?
Good.
I'll have blisters.
Wow, you got more out of this trip than I did. I want a discount. Alright, what a nice place. The rabbits, they almost killed me. Up here, it doesn't look much, but oh, that was hard on me. Nice going! Not the only one who got a passenger before.
Hey, Denai, how's your roll? You practice?
Awesome. Even the local dogs love it out here.
Tom, what part of the UK are you from? London. You're always from London?
Having good fun?
Very much.
Very much. Home at last. After a good day's kayaking, I'm home. And it was a good one. And I think you can agree when you saw the video. But I'm really curious to find out, how did my kayak pull through? Because I hit a lot of rocks, and I hit bamboos, and I hit, well, basically I hit everything that I could hit on my way, I'll tell you that. And I had a lot of water in my kayak at the time, and it was heavy to ride down the river. And whether that water was a matter of having a lot of water spraying into it, or if it was because it basically damaged my kayak on the bottom, I really don't know right now. We just wrapped it all up in a hurry when I was out there, and didn't have time to look at it, didn't want to be too concerned about it. If it had been damaged, I'm sure it's only the outer shell, it is not the pontons, because none of that was deflated. But let's take a look and we'll see what is. In one of our videos, when I reviewed this kayak and I spoke about the reason why I chose this specific brand, I was mentioning the fact that they were known for their high quality water parks worldwide, really high quality, renowned for it. And that kind of gave me the confidence that this kayak would hold up to a lot. As I've said, today was a bit of a test. We went out what was considered to be a rapid 2, maybe 3, level 3, which this kayak is not designed for. And obviously I did not know what it was we were into. The guy that I was out with, Aiden, he is an experienced kayaker, had done that for a long time, and he thought that it would be all right. My skill level, you don't have it on video because nobody were capable of filming it at that point, and thank God for that, because it was no beauty. So it left a lot to be wished for. But the kayak stands out. Look at this. There is dirt, yes. Hold on a second, I'll just flip the camera instead. See, there is dirt, tree, every there now, but there is no damage whatsoever. And I'm telling you, I was sitting somewhere around here, and I had my ass in the sling. Maybe there is a little bit of a scratch here, not sure. It's just a tiny scratch in the material, but that's all. It's not a hole, it's nothing. It has got no damage whatsoever. I can tell you guys, I'm surprised. I was 100% certain that after the trip today, this kayak was in a need of repair. I really was. But it's in need of a wash. That's what it is. Nothing else. So, a very good day out. I have to say though, we're in the rainy season. The rivers are getting with a lot more water, but this particular place we went now, I'd say a hard shell kayak is probably the best. There were various sections that was good, and I probably won't be the one that can judge for sure whether this one really is fit for that area. But the fact that I was hitting rock bottom too often worried me. But the second is, it's a fairly big kayak. As you can see, it's lying down there. It's fairly big, and well, I'd say I just had problems with the currents. If you're doing 90 degrees or even more than that, left and right, every time it was just like the current just pushed this whole surface straight into the banks, and there was a lot of bamboos, and they're really unforgiving materials and spiky, and could deflate my kayak, which made me even more nervous. But a good day, a very good experience, and if I ever doubted how strong this kayak is, then that doubt for sure has been demolished. There is no doubt whatsoever. This is rock solid quality, I'll tell you. It really is. Anyway, until next time, enjoy.